Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is Organisation Patient Safety Incident Reports. Let's dive in. So we've got data back to September 2017, 88,000 rows so far, and you can see these are the tables. I've queried all of them so you can have a good look. Acute non-specialist, so you can see the data by organisation. Those are the measure categories, and these are the measures. If I just page down and pause the video if you want to read it all. Then we've got ambulance, similar sort of data. There's the categories, and there's the measures. Community trusts, there's the categories, and there's the measures. Mental health, again, categories, measures. And finally, reported incidents by month, which just has a degree of harm by organisation month. So that's that. Thanks.